how many of you know of Burhan Wani? Could you raise your hands, please? Almost all the hands went up. How many of you know of Eklavya? Right? No, I don't mean the historical Eklavya. I mean the modern Eklavya. The name Eklavya. All right? None. Radhika Gill? No. Sagar Sahi? None. Meluram? Satinder Singh Sathi? Ejaz Bund? No? So you know of Kashmiris, Burhan Wani, but you don't know of these 5 or 6 Kashmiris. So you do not know that for 70 years, these are the Kashmiris, the Dalits, the Eklavyas, the refugees, the Sikhs, the Gurkhas, whose human rights were brutally trampled upon by the Indian state, the majority, the democratic Indian state for 70 years through Article 370. They could be postgraduates, they are PhDs, but they could only get a job as a sweeper. They were refugees, Hindu refugees who ran from West Pakistan to save their lives, but they were denied citizenship, basic rights. And now you are saying that majoritarianism is there from 2014, when all of you were silent, including me, when our Indian state, democratic Indian state, was trampling upon the rights of Dalits, so much for, emancipation of Dalits. The second example I would like to take is religion. And of course, we know how gladly we accept all the exclusivist nature, the misogyny, the bigotry of religion, amongst all religion. But in particular, when we have Mr. Owaisi, and I hope I won't be interrupted, when we are talking of majoritarianism, how is it that 3 of his legislators were arrested for threatening to behead Taslima Nasreen? How is that not majoritarianism? How is it not majoritarianism when lakhs pour onto the street demanding the beheading of Kamlesh Tiwari because he said something that was egregious? Why is that not majoritarianism? When Mr. Owaisi exhorts, and I quote him, "वो जालिम, वो कुत्ता जो उत्तर प्रदेश में बैठकर अल्लाह की शान में गुस्ताखी किया, याद रख, तू आज जेल में है, मगर दुनिया तेरे लिए चूहे के बिल की तरह बन जाएगी इंशाअल्लाह। तेरी गुस्ताखी ने तेरी अपनी बर्बादी को दावत दी है." And then a few months later, Kamlesh Tiwari was beheaded. How is this not majoritarianism? And the same gentleman, Mr. Owaisi, who talks about saving the persecuted minorities or persecuted people from Pakistan and Afghanistan and Bangladesh, the persecuted also include Ahmadiyas. And Mr. Owaisi doesn't consider Ahmadiyas as Muslims.
Yes.
How is it that you have one standard for one minority and the other standard for completely other, persecuted people? And Mr. Owaisi exhorts Jai Bhim, Jai Meme. Why is it that when it comes to majoritarianism of the other kind, he is completely silent to more than 50 hate crime Muslim mob attacks on Dalits in the past 1.5 years? Why is it when he talks about Jai Bhim, Jai Meme, he does not even once mention what Dr. Ambedkar said, and I quote, "Islam is a closed corporation, and the distinction that it makes between Muslims and non-Muslims is a very real, very positive, and very alienating distinction. The brotherhood of Islam is not the universal brotherhood of man. It is brotherhood of Muslims for Muslims only. There is a fraternity, but its benefit is confined to those within that corporation. For those who are outside the corporation, there is nothing but contempt and enmity."